I made $6,000 running a faceless YouTube channel, and on today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to do the same using ChatGPT and this simple, easy to navigate AI tool. If you are seeing this and you want to start your content creation journey, I don't care if you're in your 20s, I don't care if you're in your 50s, as long as you have a good internet connection, you have a browsing phone, and you can comprehend what I am saying, then you came across the right channel, because I'm actually going to be breaking this down step by step on how to get started using ChatGPT and this AI tool to make money from the internet. And if you want a one-on-one coaching with me, if you want to get your channel monetized, feel free to follow the link pinned in my comment section and I will see you there. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to ChatGPT on your phone, and you want to type in something like any story that you want to make use of. On today's video, I'm actually going to be making use of a cat story. So let me just say, give me an emotional script of a cat story I can use to generate a video and post on my YouTube shorts. Let it be 50 seconds long. Now, the reason why I say 50 seconds long is because for short form content, the shorter the better. The shorter, the more YouTube, TikTok, Instagram is more likely to push it out, okay? But if you want to go for the long form, if you want to start creating long form content, then you can do what you can tell it to give you like 10-minute script. This platform that we're actually going to be making use of, it can generate up to 30 minutes on this platform. It is no deal breaker, okay? It just depends on what you want. And also, before we get started, like deep started, I want you to know that there are 4 different ways that you can make money with having a faceless YouTube channel. Now, the first one is through Google AdSense. That is when you get monetized on YouTube. There's this ads that will show in front of your video before people are able to watch your video. So the more people watch your ads, the more you are making money from AdSense. That is advertisers, the more they are paying you. Now, the second one is through affiliate marketing. You can affiliate for so many products. Let's say, for example, we are making use of cats as a case study on today's video. Maybe inside the video, the cat went shopping. Maybe inside the video, the cat wore a clothes, did something. You can get the link, or maybe the cat AI cat generated products. You can get a link, pin it in your comment section as an affiliate. You can also affiliate for the platform that you use to generate those AI videos, okay? And the third way you can make money from your AI faceless channel is to turn it into a blog post. I have so many videos. Go and check my videos from like 6-7 months, 1 year ago. I have so many videos that talk about how you can, get your faceless content into a blog post, because there are some people that don't like watching videos. Some people like reading. So go and generate it into a blog post. You can make money from your blog. You can sell your own products from your blog post. You can sell your blog post later in the future. You can sell your YouTube channel later in the future. Now, the last way you can make money from having a faceless YouTube channel is to get brand deals. There are lots of brands now that are willing to pay money to put their products in your videos just for you to speak about their products. Let's say, for example, you are posting on your faceless channel, and you have a consistent character and you are talking about a story. Some brands will come, I want you to talk about my products in your video. I want you to mention about my app, my website, my business in your video. It is AI generated, right? But the way you write your script, the name of that brand business will be mentioned. Brands are doing it now, okay? I saw a post on Instagram the other day that was like, AI is going to take over so many content creators' jobs. We are not joking, because we have AI talking like me now. AI showcasing brand, AI showcasing products like me now. So please, don't let this AI era skip you by. Okay, after telling ChatGPT to give me a script, look at the script that ChatGPT gave me. All is 50 seconds. Okay, so the title is The Cat Who Waited. So if you want something more emotional, you can just give it an exact prompt. So ChatGPT can, know what you want, because ChatGPT is not a human being. It is a robot, AI, right? Programmed. Copy the script. The next step, which is step 2, is to come over to this website called Magiclight AI. I want you to know something. On this website, you'll be given 300 free credits when you are new to the website. You want to follow the link pinned in my video description. It will direct you to the website. If you want to take this your content journey serious, if you're intentional, then you want to pay for this AI tool, okay? Because they paid for their own platform. You have to invest money to get a better quality, okay? When you get to Magiclight AI, this is what the website is actually going to look like, okay? This is how you know that you are doing. As you can see, we have so many different type of character type of. If you want to make use of those in the Greek era, the war, it is fine. We have the Disney, we have Epic, we have 3D Katsu, and so on and so forth. So like, this is top notch, okay? So before I get started, I want you to know that, so we have story to video. It says you can generate up to 15 minutes video using Magiclight AI, and you can add your character. If you want to make use of your own character to generate videos, then you can, put your picture, paste it into the character section. Just click on image, click on select above photo library, paste your own picture. It will give you your own picture as character. Okay, I'm actually going to be talking about this in the next video. Now I'm just going to click on story to video. When you click on story to video, you want to paste the prompts that you get from ChatGPT. Paste it right here. Okay, we have the landscape ratio, we have the portrait ratio. Since it's for short form, I'm just going to click on portraits. You can post this on your Instagram, you can post it on your TikTok, you can post it on your YouTube shorts. Okay, then I'm just going to click on auto for duration, language English. Then we have the style. What style do you want? We have the 3D cartoon, we have the Disney, but because it's a car story, I'm just going to click on Mew 3.0. Confirm. Then you want to click on next. It says this video is approximately 1 minute and 20. I'm just going to click on next. I'm just going to click on next. Then I'm going to click on auto cast to add your character. Okay, so this is the character that it actually gave me. Then I'm going to click on next. This is actually going to generate all the scenes for you. Now that the image has been generated, if you want to leave it to story slide to slide, that is image to image, then you can just go ahead and click on next. But if you want to animate it, spice it up, turn it to a video that talks, that have body movements, then you want to click on dynamic. It might say animate all. I did not animate on my own, but if you want to animate all, you can just click on animate all. But if you don't want to animate everything, then you can just click on next once more. So we have so many subtitle pattern here. Just choose the one that suits your video the most. Okay, click on music. This is the background sound. We have so many options that you can choose from. Let me just take this. I'm going to take this, then I will reduce the volume so that it will not dominate the video that I'm trying to create. This. Then you want to click on generate. When you click on generate, click on the 9.16 ratio, click on any one that you want, standard or high. Then you want to click on OK, and your video will start to generate. Okay, that is it. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment in my comment section, or you can follow the link pinned in my comment section, and I'm actually going to respond. And don't forget, if you find value in this video, leave a thumbs up and share this video to anyone that will benefit from watching this video. So I'm going to wait a little bit more for you to finish generating, then I will show you guys what we just created together.
With unwavering loyalty, she waits by the apartment door, a solitary figure against the fading light. Shadows lengthen, mirroring the depth of her patient vigil and hopeful anticipation. Her sad, expectant eyes reflect a story of longing, each glance filled with silent hope. Every evening, she sat by the door, waiting. The apartment doorway becomes a stage for her quiet devotion, her vigil a testament to unwavering love. In the quiet apartment, a pair of shoes sits neatly by the door, untouched. Dust motes dance around the shoes, illuminated by the sun. A cat's reflection appears in the window, her sorrowful gaze fixed on the empty shoes. Her owner had gone to work that morning and never came back.